Yo guys, this week we're in Bristol, the foodie heartbeat of the Southwest, and once voted the best culinary destination in the world at the Food Trekking Awards.
Right, we're at the Slug and Lettuce now, guys, rivaling with Vodka Revolutions. Might end up in there later.
Direct Revolutions?
Yeah, I remember last time in last, can't remember how many videos it was ago.
It was ages ago.
Babe, it's a white car!
Anyway, why is it an important day today? What is today?
Because today, Joe and guys, it is our 1 year YouTube anniversary.
47 videos, 4,500 subscribers later. How do you feel?
I feel right good. Yeah, we're gonna go and try Burger Theory. But what's their theory though, babe?
I think the theory is they started doing like markets and festivals and stuff.
Yeah.
And now they've actually got 2 restaurants in Bristol. One only opened yesterday.
Yeah, it's gonna be right good.
It's all happening. Party Central in Bristol, right? So even though we are going for a meal in a minute at Burger Theory, as we just told you, Jordan's decided to get a starter. So from the lovely Slug and Lettuce, what have we got here?
So we've got some chicken goujons and some tacos, soft shell tacos.
Got a beautiful bit of pulled beef there. Not so sure on the presentation there, guys. How was the chicken?
Right reformed.
What have we got here? What's dips this?
Barbecue.
What are we saying?
6 out of 10.
6 out of 10.
Yeah.
So that on the Jordan scale, that's about there.
Yeah. Maybe this is why they told us not to record in the last Slug and Lettuce.
Soft shell tacos. I think it's pulled beef in these, right? Hopefully it's nice. These are actually quite nice. Very sweet barbecue flavour. Chili's messy as hell. That's actually alright. I'm going to give that 7 out of 10.
We've reviewed the starters now.
See you at Burger Theory.
Yeah. Hey bitch. Joe's ordered us 2 shots.
Me? This is all you. You said to come in here.
You.
This is all you.
It's all you.
Porn star martinis.
Oh.
Anyway, happy YouTube.
Happy YouTube.
I can see how this night's going to go. Hopefully we'll get to Burger Theory, right?
If you want to see us try all of them, there's a video down below somewhere.
It'll be up here, actually. About there. Point up there. No, up. That way.
Oh, that way.
Yeah, that way.
So right guys, we're at the Burger Theory now, as it's up there. Shall we go in and try it now?
It looks nice, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks very nice.
We're here in Burger Theory.
Yeah.
We made it here. I'm thinking like a burger. Jordan's thinking chicken. We're thinking a glass of wine. But it's nice in here, right? Beautiful interior.
Very nice.
Sides, burgers, etc., etc. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about these wings.
Got myself a glass of rosé.
Oh, yes,
darling. Oh wait, I'm doing it wrong.
Yeah, what? The star of the show today. So what are we ordering? What are we having here?
So I'm having 7 chicken wings with a Korean style type of dipping sauce.
Korean style.
Korean, yes. Ooh,
And we're getting a cheese theory, which is like a double cheeseburger.
Yeah.
With a Mac 10 sauce, like a Big Mac kind of style. Yeah, guys, I like it. It's nice.
And don't forget the skin on fries.
Oh yeah. Okay, so we have the cheese theory, right? Cheese theory?
Yeah.
The wings and some beautiful fries.
Wow. Right nice. Oh, I like that barbecue sauce. And now I was like, barbecue's right. Oh, have you tried the chips?
Are they like a normal chicken wing, yeah? Like a smaller one, right?
Yeah.
That burger though, that looks pretty sexy. Try a fry, see what you think. Yeah, good.
No, it's not like that one.
Different one?
That was more smoky. Give me the camera now.
Hello chicken wing fans. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay.
Are they fucking good?
Finger looking good.
Oh, finger licking good.
Can't be swearing, I don't want to lose money. Well. Right, we're going to start getting into this amazing burger now, guys. So what these guys are famous for, this is the cheese theory. So it's double patty, beef, cheese, lettuce, and their own sauce. These guys have been banging out these burgers for a while, so I'm excited to try this. Probably cut this in half. Oh. That's a burger, guys.
That was not a bite.
Oh my god.
There we go. Good.
That is really good. Oh wow. Beefy goodness.
That good?
Oh, nice. This is a big burger.
Go on. One more bite. Go on, babe.
Bloody half a cow in this. Right, okay guys, I'm doing this for you. Happy YouTube anniversary. Happy, and then you said asado. Happy.
Just happy.
Happy burger theory. Happy burgers. I can't.
Go.
Guys, I'm done. I can't eat anymore. So guys, that was Burger Theory in Bristol, their original restaurant location, right there. Have to say, one of the best burgers I've eaten, and the chicken wings were amazing. Service was great. Got a few free subscribers, thanks to people in the restaurant for subscribing. So we're off to have an amazing night now, guys, to celebrate our YouTube anniversary. Thank you so much for watching our videos and subscribing. We love you guys. I really can't say it enough. And 1 year in, we're here to stay, guys. See you soon, keep watching, and next video, new video, next week. Thanks, guys.